Hello, I'm Himadri, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2022. Right? So, first of all, you have to go to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Then you can see over here there is a Visual Studio for developers on Windows, and this is the Visual Studio for Mac, and this is the development code for Windows, Mac, and Linux platform. Okay, let's start with Visual Studio developer version. Then let's click over here and you can see Community 2022, Professional 2022, and Enterprise 2022. So this Community 2022 is a free trial, and Professional and Enterprise, whatever you want to choose, you can go for it. So Community is the free version, so I'm going to download and install that one. So let's start. Yes, continue. It's very quick. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and click install. Here you go. It will take bit time. It is bit slow, so yeah. You can see here 74% finished. Installing package. So, this is ready. About to finish this installing. Few second more. Yep. Okay, you can sign in with the Microsoft ID, or if you don't have, then create one. So once you click on sign in, then you will able to see this screen. Just put your email ID. I do have my